Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After many days, I am going to take a class on online. So, my dear friends, welcome to my online class. Today, I want to discuss degree to remove monotony. I have already taken 3 classes on simple, compound, complex. I think that you have become monotonous to hear these classes. So, to remove your monotony, I am going to take a class on degree. You know that degree is of 3 kinds: positive, comparative, superlative. I would like to repeat it: positive, comparative, superlative. Now, I want to teach you how we can change superlative to comparative. You know that when we use ESP or most before adjective, it's called superlative. This, big, bigger, biggest. Big is positive, bigger is comparative, and the biggest is superlative. In this way, happy, happier, happiest, black, blacker, blackest, small, smaller, smallest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful is positive, more beautiful is superlative, more beautiful is comparative, the most beautiful is superlative. So, I am going to transfer superlative to comparative. At first, I will tell you to write 2 formulas which is created by me to make superlative to comparative, superlative to positive, positive to comparative, positive to superlative, comparative to positive, comparative to superlative. We change these degrees in 6 ways or 6 times. So, it's very difficult for us to understand. For this reason, I have created 2 formulas which I am going to write on the blackboard. You are told to write on your khata. At first, positive, then comparative, and then superlative. In the positive, there will be no other or very few. Comparative, then any other or than most other. In the superlative, SF or on a plus SF. I have wanted to make you understand SF means superlative form, on a plus SF means before superlative form we use on. Now I'm going to describe it. When we see only superlative form in a sentence, we will use than any other. In the comparative, and when we will see superlative form after or not, then we will make than most other. My dear parents, now I am going to give you some examples. When we will give you some example, you will be able to understand clearly. Now, you may write on your khata. Reza is the tallest boy in the class. You can see a sentence on the blackboard that Reza is the tallest boy in the class. This sentence is in the superlative form because we can see adjective tall in the end of this word est. This, when we can say after adjective est is yours, it is called superlative form. So, Reza is the tallest boy in the class. This sentence is in the superlative form. Now, I am going to transfer superlative form into comparative form. Please be attentive. So, Reza is the has come before superlative form, but it will not come before comparative form. So, I cut out that. Then I have to take tallest in the form of comparative, taller. Then I can write taller. Reza is taller. According to my formula, I have to use than any other or than most other. Now I can see that there is no one of before the superlative degree, so I have to take than any other. Than any other. Then I have to write the rest one. The rest of the sentences is boy in the class. I think that you could not understand absolutely, so I am going to write another sentence to make you understand. Please let me write the another sentence. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. My dear friends, at first I have to write Dhaka is, then I have to change my superlative form into comparative form. The biggest will be in the comparative form bigger. Dhaka is bigger. Then I have to write than any other or than most other. So we cannot say on or in this sentence. So we have to write than any other. Than any other. The rest one is city in Bangladesh. My dear friends, I have to give you another example to make you understand, because it's grammatical class. The more you use example, the more you will be perfect in grammar. So I have to give another example. Lisa is the most beautiful girl in the class. Now I have to write at first Lisa is. Then I have to do beautiful in the comparative form. The most beautiful in the comparative form, it will be more beautiful. Lisa is more beautiful. Then I have to write according to my formula than any other. Than any other. The rest one will be girl in the class. My dear friends, my time is over, so I am going to finish here. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay fine. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.